All right, so we're gonna go by progressions. So this is progression 1. If you don't know how to do any kind of waving technique yet, or if you're just starting, or if you need a refresher course, this lesson is for you. All right. So we're gonna do the very, very basic waving technique. All right. So we're gonna break it down to each body part. All right. So first thing I need you to do is keep your arms as straight as possible. If you have a mirror, that's great. So you can see how straight your arms are. See how straight my arms are? It's like a tabletop. It's like a complete T. And what I want you to do is I want you to reach on both sides. If you stretch your arms out, it keeps your arms straight and clean. All right, so when we're training and when we're drilling, we want to keep our arms as straight and as clean as possible so that we can get used to this kind of movement. It's going to be tiring, but that's why we're going to develop our stamina throughout this course. All right, so first thing we're going to do, fingers up, fingers down, and we're going to bring our knuckles up. Wrist is going to go up, elbow, shoulder, chest, shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers, okay? Let's try that again. So we're gonna go fingers, knuckles, wrist, elbow, shoulder, chest, shoulder, elbow, wrist, knuckles, and fingers. And likewise, we're gonna start from the other side. So we're gonna go fingers, knuckles, wrist, elbow, shoulder, chest, shoulder, elbow, wrist, knuckles, fingers. Okay? So what I want you to do is really focus on each body part that's moving. So really focus on one side only. Boom. This is what it feels like to have my fingers going up, down. See, everything else is still. The only thing that's moving should be the thing that is going up or down. This is where the wave starts, and it's gonna go throughout your body, okay? From here, wrist, elbow, shoulder, chest, boom, okay? So ideally, we're gonna do one side at a time, just so that we can keep our mind focused on one side, and we don't have to worry about the other side yet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chest. Okay? So we're gonna take the chest, we're gonna bring it back out. So we're gonna go shoulder, elbow, wrist, knuckles, fingers. Good. Opposite side. Finger, knuckle, wrist, elbow, shoulder, chest. Bring it back. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, knuckles, boom. Good. Put it all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Bring it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Pause the video here and continue once you get that down.